transforming your children's creative play, school STEM projects, and artistic ideas into physical 3D reality without dealing with complicated calibration or messy, exposed components usually means transitioning to a smart, kid-safe desktop ecosystem. The AOZX Maker AI Plus/JY 3D printer for kids, fully assembled smart STEM learning hub, redefines educational tech by combining robust childproof physical safety, next-generation artificial intelligence modeling, and lightning-fast mechanical performance. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its integrated AI-powered design suite, featuring AI Doodle and AI Minimi, paired with high-speed Core XY mechanics capable of peaking at 400 millimeters per second. Instead of struggling with complex CAD software or tedious manual leveling, this system lets children turn simple voice commands, text prompts, or hand-drawn sketches into crisp 3D models instantly, while automatic bed leveling and a user-friendly app interface ensure a frustration-free setup. Performance and everyday versatility streamline home crafting, classroom learning modules, and creative exploration. Outfitted with a fully enclosed structural housing that isolates hot components and minimizes operating noise to under 50 dB, the printer guarantees a secure environment for curious young makers. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by pre-assembly straight out of the box, access to thousands of pre-vetted toy and educational models, a built-in HD camera for time-lapse recording and monitoring, power loss recovery, and a flexible magnetic build plate that makes removing finished prints effortless. Things to consider before you buy filament material: focus. Designed primarily for safety and ease of use in homes and classrooms, this printer utilizes eco-friendly, low-odor PLA filament rather than high-temp industrial polymers like ABS or nylon. Build volume boundaries. Because it is engineered as a compact desktop machine optimized for kids and student workspaces, it features a smaller build envelope tailored for toys and smaller STEM artifacts rather than massive structural components. So who is this really for? This AI-powered children's 3D printer is an absolute home run for parents, K-12 educators, and young tech enthusiasts looking for a safe, fully assembled, and deeply engaging STEM gift that bridges the gap between digital imagination and hands-on making. If you are an advanced mechanical engineer or a professional prototyping specialist searching for a large-format industrial machine to print high-strength engineering plastics, a heavy-duty enterprise 3D printer will better match your workflow. Is it worth the money? If you value certified child-safe enclosure mechanics, intuitive AI-driven design apps, lightning-fast 400 millimeters per second speeds, auto-leveling convenience, a built-in monitoring camera, and a massive library of kid-friendly projects, it is a premier, future-ready educational investment for inspiring the next generation of creators.